Hi guys, today is December 13 and I'm going to Alabang Town Center to meet up with my close college friend, si Glea. Magka-org talaga kami but nung natapos na yung officership namin sa org na yun, we didn't get to hang out na masyado. Hey everyone, we just arrived sa town. I'm gonna go down na and I'm gonna go look for Glea na. So I'll see you guys again later.
Yes. Cute.
Guys, subscribe kayo kay Glea. Meron pala siyang YouTube channel. Isa-start na niya. Na-start na niya before, tas i-revive niya ngayon. So, subscribe guys. Hi guys, nasa Molito na kami.
Yes.
We are going to Chujiri, a matcha place daw. Re-reco ni Glea sa akin. Sabi niya matamis naman daw to, so good luck. Good luck.
Ayos po.
Di ba po ng receipt na?
Okay. Hi guys, we're in Chujiri with Glea. Just waiting for our order. Nag-order kami ng Chujiri latte. Matamis daw to, sabi ni Glea. So, papaniwalaan ko yan.
You're not into matcha. Like yung lasang damo, magugustuhan niya dito.
Sabi mo yan, ha? Ang cute. The Insta360 Go 3S. Hi guys, natry na namin ang iced matcha latte. Sobrang sarap. Thank you, Glea, for the reco. It's matamis. It's exactly what I'm looking for sa matcha. Sayo ko ng matcha na yung pure matcha. Oo, the natural matcha. So matamis siya. Kaya ko gusto yun sa Lawson. Then luckily, na-discover ko to. Thanks to Glea. Tapos na kami uminom ng matcha. So we're just looking for spots
Dito na lang.
around Molito. Ah, sige. Na pwede mag-photoshoot. Magpipicture lang kami. Mga pang IG, DP. Hey everyone, so umalis na kami ng house ulit and my sister and I went to Molito. So we're just gonna go dun sa parang vintage photo booth and then maybe walk around town and then have dinner sa Hungry Homies. Hi guys, so tapos na kami sa Molito. Nagpa-pick lang kami dun sa parang vintage photo booth nila. Now we're back here sa ATC and then may check lang yung sister ko sa Isa the Label. Nagtingin si Kia ng Sunny's Face, Isa the Label. I think we're gonna go to Fully Booked for a while and then maybe mga 7:30 balik na kami sa Molito to eat sa Hungry Homies.
What's happening? What are those?
I don't know. Anyway, there's like an event here sa gitna. I don't know if you guys can hear me kasi ang lakas ng music. But Kaya and I have decided to go to Flying Tiger muna. So, we're almost there na. Hi guys, so we're here na sa Hungry Homies and kakarating lang ng order namin. So Kaya got hot dog and fries and then I got this burger. Okay, we're gonna eat now. Then after we eat, we're gonna go home na. May take out lang din kami for our parents and then uwi na kami. So we're done eating dinner na, but Kaya is still taking photos for her IG stories. So hinihintay ko lang. Pero kakarating lang din nung takeout namin. So once Kaya's done taking photos, we can leave and go home na. Hi guys, another day, another punta sa ATC. I don't know why I'm always there. Like ATC is literally our second home. This one's a super sponty plan lang. I mean, lagi naman sponty whenever we go to town. Kaya just needs to look for gifts para sa friends niya kasi magkaka-Christmas party yata sila or Secret Santa. So, maghanap siya ng gifts and then ako, sumama lang ako. Well, dapat hindi ako sasama because Matt was supposed to visit our house. But, I love going to town and I like buying food there. So, sabi ko kay Matt, what if magkita na lang tayo sa town? May Gcash po kayo? Yes. Okay. Medium po. Dalawang na sila, isang Oreo. Hi guys, I'm here na sa food court with Matthews. Say hi, Matthews.
What up, boys?
And I just got Yao Yao. Matt got Frutas. I'm going to eat lang saglit. And then we're gonna go around na. Matt wants to check New Balance muna. Pero we're supposed to go to Chef Tony's kasi may pinapabili yung mom ni Matt sa kanya. We're here na sa New Balance. So after multiple side quests, ito na kami, on the way na talaga sa office warehouse. Just people watching, pero parang I wanna get Serenity chicken chops din in a while.
In Metro?
Pwedeng Metro or pwedeng yung Serenity near the Sinehan. Hi guys, so we're on the way na sa Fully Booked. I'm just gonna look around saglit and then baka mag-Serenity na kami after so we can go home na. we're just gonna go to Metro kasi my mom and my sister are there na. Sila na yung bumili ng Serenity namin. So, kikitain ko na lang sila doon and I'll help them carry the stuff that they bought. Hi guys, I just got home and let's open a package. This is one of the things I ordered nitong 12/12. I think it's the cuticle oil ng Lux Organics. I ordered a bunch of other things nitong 12/12 pero hindi pa sila dumadating. Got it. I think you can also buy this on TikTok. So I'll put the yellow basket link below para makabili rin kayo. Looks like this.